So I'm Andrew Howarth. I work for CAD IT in the UK. I'm the head of industrial at IoT. Siemens and CAD IT have been in partnership on products such as Teamcenter and RapidOver. So there's a long-standing relationship there between Siemens and CAD IT. It's been a very sort of fruitful relationship, growing the industrial IoT business using the InsightSub technology, which constantly improves and constantly uses the knowledge of both the partners and the customers on what is really needed in industry. So we provide software and services for these technologies to really help customers on their digital transformation journey. When we work with customers, we have a very sort of set process for really focusing on business and what opportunities or goals exist for that company. It's mainly about using a three-step approach to first doing a discovery on what are the business objectives, how will those objectives be met with use cases, so who within that business will need to change their day job, change their process to be able to enact or deliver that goal. And then that really starts to lay out the blueprint really for what challenges the technology needs to address to allow a business to deliver some value. This then gives us a foundation to then go much deeper into the technical requirements and then deliver and map across the appropriate solution, but also the appropriate makeup of that solution, how it's configured, how much it needs to scale, how much it needs to be used. Probably the most important part is the people. So we focus a lot on what are the key enablers we need to put in place to make sure the users are trained effectively. But even if you're not a user, but you're a stakeholder, you're at least aware why that technology exists in the business, what it's doing, what it might change, and how it can benefit the organisation. Every customer we work with have continued to work with us on a long-standing partnership for a number of years, due in part to that approach and our existing knowledge of working in industry and using that approach in industry to understand both business and technical challenges. The domain expertise that Siemens have, that's part of the power of the product and how it can meet customer use cases and help existing customers with new ways of using the technology that's there.